Hey, my name is Zach Koka with Minarik Drives. First, I'd like to congratulate you on purchasing the HTL05-D-4Q. By the end of this video, you'll be able to wire up your own drive. So, let's get started. First, we'll be wiring up the main speed potentiometer. First, S1, the common wire, goes into pin 3. Then S2, where the wiper goes to S2. And S3 goes into pin 1. Next, we'll be wiring up the direction switch. One lead goes into pin 4, and the other to pin 5. Now the forward and reverse inhibit will share a pin, and that's pin 8. Then the reverse will go into pin 7, while the forward inhibit goes into pin 6, like so. Before we connect the motor, we must first check the jumper located in the middle of the drive. This sets if it's a 24 volt motor or a 12 volt motor. We're using 24 volt, which is factory default. Now, we'll apply the armature leads to A1 and A2. Before we apply power to the drive, we must first set the input voltage jumper. Its factory default is set to 230 volts, but we're using 115. Next, attach the power cord. The hot lead goes to L1, and the common goes to L2. Now before we apply power to the drive, it's good to go over and make sure that everything is wired correctly. Let's do that now. Now that everything's been visually inspected, it's time to apply power to the drive. And once we apply power, it's good to go over a quick test procedure to make sure everything is working properly. So first, we'll put a little motion to the motor and test to see if the direction switch is working. Then, we'll test the inhibits. Everything seems to be working fine. Thanks for watching this wiring demonstration brought to you by Minarik Drives. If you have any further questions, please feel free to visit us at www.minarikdrives.com or call one of our application engineers at 815-624-6950.